As a project management expert, I often get asked about the cost of various tools, and Smartsheet is a frequent topic. It's a powerful work execution platform that blends the familiarity of a spreadsheet with robust project management capabilities, automation, and reporting. However, its pricing structure isn't always as straightforward as a simple per-user fee. Understanding how much Smartsheet project management costs involves looking at its different plans, what features each includes, and how your team size and specific needs will influence the final price. First things first, Smartsheet does not offer a free forever plan, but it does provide a generous free trial, typically 30 days. This trial usually gives you access to a higher tier plan, like the business plan, allowing you to thoroughly test its features before committing financially. This is a crucial step in your evaluation process. Now, let's break down Smartsheet's pricing tiers, keeping in mind that these prices are generally quoted on a per-user, per-month basis when billed annually, which is the most cost-effective way to subscribe. Smartsheet pricing tiers explained. Smartsheet typically offers 3 main pricing plans. Pro plan, cost, around $9 per user per month, billed annually. If billed monthly, it's usually a bit higher, around $12 per user per month. Who it's for? This plan is designed for individuals and small teams, typically up to 10 licensed users, who need structured task management and collaboration. What's included? Core Smartsheet functionality. You get the familiar grid, Gantt chart, card, Kanban, and calendar views. This allows you to visualize your projects in different ways. Unlimited sheets, reports, and forms. This is a big plus, as you won't be limited by the number of projects or reports you can create. Basic automation. You get a limited number of automations per month, e.g., 250 automations per month. Automations can help with reminders, status updates, and moving tasks. Dashboards. Usually 1 dashboard per user. Dashboards are powerful for visualizing key project metrics. Collaboration. Features like attachments, comments, notifications, and basic sharing permissions. Integrations. Basic integrations with popular apps like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and Slack. Support. Email support. Consideration. While it's a great starting point, the 10-user limit means larger small teams will quickly outgrow this plan. The automation limits might also become a constraint for complex workflows. Business plan. Cost. Around $19 per user per month. Billed annually. Monthly billing is typically higher, around $24 per user per month. This plan usually has a minimum user requirement, often 3 users. So, for a small team, the minimum spend would be $57 per month, $19 x 3. Who it's for? This plan is aimed at growing teams and organizations that manage larger, more complex projects with multiple stakeholders and need more advanced features. What's included? Everything in the Pro plan, plus significant upgrades. No user limit. Unlike the Pro plan, the business plan scales to accommodate larger teams. Unlimited automations. This is a game changer for automating repetitive tasks and enforcing workflows. Unlimited dashboards and reports. More flexibility to create comprehensive insights. Team workload tracking. A crucial feature for project managers to understand resource allocation and prevent burnout. Advanced integrations. Often includes integrations with tools like Jira and Salesforce, enabling seamless data flow across your tech stack. Proofing. Tools for review and approval workflows, especially useful for creative assets. Custom branding. To maintain your company's identity within the platform. Priority support. Faster assistance when you need it. Consideration. The minimum user requirement means it's a bigger jump in cost for very small teams, but the added features often justify the investment for growing businesses. Enterprise plan. Cost. Custom pricing. You'll need to contact Smartsheet's sales team directly for a quote. Who it's for? Large organizations, enterprises, and highly regulated industries that require advanced security, governance, scalability, and specialized integrations. What's included? Everything in the business plan, plus enterprise-grade security and governance. Features like SAML-based single sign-on, SSO, directory integration, audit reports, and advanced compliance controls. Unlimited attachment storage, critical for large organizations with extensive documentation. Work apps, a no-code tool to build custom applications on top of Smartsheet data, providing tailored user experiences. Smartsheet Advanced Tiers, access to premium apps and add-ons like Control Center for portfolio management, Data Shuttle for automated data import, export, Dynamic View for secure external collaboration, and Bridge for advanced integrations and workflows. These are often critical for scaling project and portfolio management across a large organization. Dedicated support and account management, higher levels of support, including service level agreements, SLAs. Consideration. The cost here can vary significantly based on the number of users, the specific premium apps required, and the level of support negotiated. This plan is for organizations where Smartsheet becomes a central operational backbone. Potential hidden costs and what to watch for. While the tiered pricing gives you a good overview, be aware of a few things that can influence your total cost. Premium apps/add-ons. As mentioned with the enterprise plan, Smartsheet offers powerful add-ons like Control Center or Resource Management. These are often separate purchases or are bundled into higher-tier enterprise plans, and their costs can add up. If your project management needs extend into portfolio management or detailed resource allocation across multiple projects, you'll likely need these. Annual versus monthly billing. Always opt for annual billing if you can, as it offers a significant discount, typically 15 to 20%, compared to monthly payments. User types. Smartsheet differentiates between licensed users, who can create and edit sheets, and viewers or guests, who can only view or have limited editing permissions on shared sheets without a paid license. Understand how your team interacts with the software to optimize your licensed user count. Training and onboarding. While Smartsheet is relatively user-friendly, complex implementations or large team rollouts might benefit from professional training services, which would be an additional cost. Making the right decision for your project management needs. Choosing the right Smartsheet plan boils down to a clear understanding of your current and future project management needs. Start with the trial. Utilize the 30-day free trial to the fullest. Get your team involved and test out the features that are most critical to your projects. Assess your team size. How many people will actively be creating and editing sheets? How many will just need to view progress? Evaluate your feature requirements. Do you need basic task tracking? Or do you require advanced automations, resource management, portfolio oversight, and enterprise-grade security? Consider scalability. How much do you anticipate your team or project volume growing in the next 1 to 3 years? Choosing a plan that can scale with you prevents disruptive migrations later.